Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to travel in China with less money and a better experience. First of all, we'll talk about policy. Since 2019, China has implemented a 72 hour or 144 hours visa-free transit policy for certain countries. Recently, the scope of these countries expanded to 54 countries, including Austria, Belgium, Czech Republic, and others. If you happen to be among these countries, congratulations! You can have a visit to China for 72 hours or 144 hours. Well, you should ask which cities should I choose? Let's see. The 17-hour visa-free transit policy is implemented in 3 cities in China. They are Changsha, Guilin, Harbin.
Harbin, also known as ICT, capital of Heilongjiang Province, the political, economic, and cultural center of the northern part of northeast China. It is an internationally famous ice and snow culture and ice and snow tourism city. Known as the Pearl of the Eurasian Continental Bridge, awarded the title of City of Music by the United Nations. 哈尔滨站到了。Welcome to Harbin.
一杯苦，2杯酱，3杯4杯好油菜。
我们本地文具型下饭啊，龙王的米，专门来驮它过河的，所以呢，在这个呢喊做玉龙河。
20 cities, including Beijing, Tianjin, Shijiazhuang, have implemented the 144-hour policy. But knowing this information is far from enough. If you want to travel to China, you also need to know the followings. Question 1. If I do not have an outbound ticket upon entry and plan to purchase a ticket to a third country within 144 hours of arrival, can I apply for the visa-free transit? The answer is no, you can't. According to the regulations, the outbound ticket must be purchased before entering China. Question 2. If I arrive in a city in China that implements the 144-hour visa-free transit policy from a certain country and have a confirmed return ticket within 144 hours back to the country I came from, can I apply for this policy? The answer is no, you cannot. According to the regulations, the country of departure and destination must be different. Question 3. How is the 144-hour calculated? The answer is after the immigration authorities issue a temporary entry permit to the traveler, the 144-hour visa-free stay is counted from the 12 a.m. the day following entry. Travelers can stay in the specified administrative regions without a visa for 144 hours. More questions will be answered in the next video, and in next video, I'll tell you the best travel time for different regions in China. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.